we're making delicious homemade sub rolls using my Breadman bread machine. Here's all you need. For specific instructions and measurements will be in the description below. Let's proof the yeast. In 1 cup of warm water, place 1 packet of yeast, dry active yeast, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of sugar. Whisk together and let it set for 7 minutes. Then make the roux. 3 tablespoons of bread flour and 1/2 cup of water. Whisk together until it becomes a paste. Allow it to cool. And if you're using a bread machine, just dump all the ingredients in no particular order. Your dough should come out smooth and slightly sticky. In a greased bowl, allow it to rest for 1 hour covered. When it's doubled in size, separate into 6 equal parts and form into dough balls. Cover and let rest for 10 minutes. Then you want to roll each ball into an oval shape. Tightly roll into a torpedo shape as shown. Pinch the seeds. Cover and allow them to rest for 45 minutes. Afterwards, with a wet, sharp knife, you want to make a slit across the top of each of the loaves. Then brush them generously with water. Preheat your oven on 425 degrees. Allow to bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until slightly golden. Here's how they came out. These sub rolls are incredibly easy to make and will elevate your sandwich game to a whole new level. They have a slight crisp on the outside and chewy but delicate on the inside. They're sturdy enough to hold saucy sandwiches and are also perfect for cold sandwiches. You'll never want to buy store-bought again. If you made this recipe, please tell me about it in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video.